1, action.
What? Whoa, you're here live. How you doing? Yeah, just our slaves over here just working for us. They don't get paid anything. They're just doing their stuff. Starting their job there. What was that? Well, yeah, now we just want to say we had a good time with you the other night, drinking a whole lot of cock juices. Very healthy for your body and soul, and set apart the virtues of this unknown universe around us. And I don't know what the hell I'm saying, but yeah. What were those girls' names again?
What's up, dude?
Yeah, what was it? Katie and
Castile?
Castile. Yeah, they were definitely best of show.
Which one?
Both of them.
Both?
Yeah.
With an F?
And both. Yeah, and Nelly, yeah, you were definitely looking good. Just want to let you know. Sorry, I got something in my throat.
Drink some
I think
cock
it's
juice.
I think it's leftover cock juice. Yeah, it's dried up in there. Yeah, it was definitely great night, whooping ass on FIFA 11. Yeah, as you could tell from my fro, I just woke up right now from a 26-hour long nap, and I think today is Sunday, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's great. What else do you have to add to that, Sheriff Monzo? Monzo.
Oh my god, that's enough.